There are nearly 2 billion websites floating around on the World Wide Web today. Your site has to stand out from the competition. The best websites are built on the best SEO tools. That's what drives your site traffic, increases your credibility, and establishes your authority in the field. But finding the best one on a budget shouldn't make your head spin. We've got the ones you really need. And how does free sound? Let's take a look. Mozbar. When it comes to mastering SEO, you need to know how to interpret the right data. The Mozbar helps you do exactly that. It's a plugin available on Chrome and Firefox. Get the page authority and domain authority for any site you visit, including yours. See how many websites are linking to the site. See the load time and other key information. These are all things you need to optimize your site. Want more? You can take your SEO further with Moz Pro. SEO Workers Analysis Tool. The best SEO tools are the ones that are user-friendly, as they are informative, and SEO workers do just that. Just plug in any website URL, yours or anyone else's, and the website instantly generates a useful, detailed report about your SEO status. This offers HTTP headers checks, meta tag analysis, keywords relevancy, and more in an easy-to-read scroll-down format. This is one of the best SEO tools for giving your site a quick tune-up. WooRank. You want a website with an easy and user-friendly interface? WooRank is one of the best SEO tools out there to provide just that. You just type a website address into the website URL review bar. Within moments, you'll receive a detailed report showing you where you're excelling, where you're making errors, and where you need to improve. You'll find broken links, underscores, blocking factors, domain expiration, slow mobile or desktop speeds, crawl errors, and more. SEMrush. A leading winner of several software awards throughout the world, SEMrush works with some seriously big players. Amazon and eBay, anyone? First of all, you'll get a direct overview of your domain analytics. This includes everything from your organic search results to your main organic competitors to all your different follow versus no follow links. You'll be able to track your organic position changes and compare them to your competition. Finally, you'll be able to check out your projects, gap analysis, keyword analytics, there's a keyword magic tool, and so much more. Screaming Frog. Don't let the name dissuade you. Screaming Frog provides one of the best SEO tools out there on the market. The Screaming Frog SEO Spider provides website crawling. See what Google sees when it crawls. You'll be able to find broken links, discover any duplicate content, audit redirects, extract relevant HTML data, generate XML sitemaps, and integrate Google Analytics. The free version is perfect for sites under 100 pages. Even though SEO represents a never-ending learning curve, the right tools can take your website to the next level. There's more to learn, and we can help. Check out our site today. If you like this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe.